Hello students, I am your maths teacher. In today's class, we are going to see about rational numbers. Before starting with rational numbers, I want to give you some instructions students. Now you have got your classwork notes. Hereafter, whatever link we are going to send, you are going to write down in your classwork notes students and we will be giving those notes for you. Now we are going to start with the sums. Students, in this link we are going to see about rational numbers. So in rational numbers, what we are going to see is we are going to see only these three concepts, that is to find rational numbers between given two numbers. They will be giving two numbers. Between two numbers we are going to find five rational numbers. This is the first question I am going to do. The second one is I am going to compare the following pairs of rational numbers. How to compare a following pair of rational numbers? There are three ways. It can be greater than, or it can be less than, or equal to. So these are the three concepts we are going to compare, whether it is going to be greater, lesser, or equal. Third one, to arrange the rational numbers. They will be giving you a set of rational numbers, students. We are going to arrange the rational number in ascending and descending order according to the question. What is the meaning of ascending? Ascending means small to big. Descending means big to small. Now we are going to start with the first question. Exercise 1.1. In that seventh sum, list 5 rational numbers between -2 and 0. First, what is the meaning of rational number? Rational number is nothing but it is in the form of P divided by Q. Numerator divided by denominator. If you see this particular number, you are having only numerator part. You are not having denominator. In that case, I can write the number like this. That is -2 divided by 1 and 0 divided by 1. Now I am converting this given number in the form of rational numbers. If denominator part, if you are not going to have number, means automatically you will be having 1 in the denominator. That is the concept of the sum, students. So -2, the same meaning is -2 by 1 is equal to -2. So there is no difference. 0 by 1 equal to 0. So this is a way of writing. In between these two numbers, I want to find 5 rational numbers. This is not possible to find 5 rational numbers. So what I am going to do is, I am going to take the number here, -2 by 1. I am going to divide and multiply by 10. So what is the answer I am going to get here? -2 into 10, -20 divided by 10. Similarly, 0 divided by 1, divide and multiply by 10, students. What is the answer you are going to get? 0 by 10. So you are going to get two rational numbers here. I am converting this rational number to this form. You may have a doubt. Why means you are converting? I will tell you the reason why I am converting. Again, the meaning of the question is same. Again, if you simplify this one, you will get -2, and this place you will be getting it as 0. So -2 and 0, the same question I am writing in rational number form. Now, if you are going to take your graph, leave this denominator part. I am going to take the graph. Suppose in your graph, I am going to draw like this. This is going to be 0. This part fully I will be getting positive values, and this part I will be getting only negative values. So, -1, -2, if you see here, -3, -4, etc. It goes till, I am going to take till -20. So, in your graph, if you see, in your left hand side part, you will be getting negative values. That is -1, -2, -3, -4. It goes on values. I am stopping till -20. So before -20, what is the value? -19. If you see here, -20, 0. Between these two values, I am going to select only 5 rational numbers. So what I am going to do is, I am going to start like this. Next to 0, what is the value next to 0? Both the sides, left hand side I am just seeing. Next to 0, I am having -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. So I am going to select those values, students. So the 5 rational numbers between, I am going to take 5 rational numbers. Therefore, you can select any 5 rational numbers. The 5 rational numbers are the five rational numbers are minus 1 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 4 by 10, comma, minus 5 by 10. Or you can take any pair from the given diagram, students. Next, we are going to see the comparison of rational numbers. Now we are going to take this question, students, that is minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. First, I am going to make the denominators same. How to make the denominator same? By taking LCM. So in the rough work I have done the calculation, students. Based on that you are going to find the denominator. Denominator I am getting it as 10. The denominator must be common. 2 into what if I multiply, I will get 10 5. So that is why I am dividing and multiplying by 5. 3 by 5. 5 into what if I multiply, I will get the answer as 10 2. That is why we are dividing and multiplying by 2. Now this 1 minus 1 by 2 is converted as minus 5 by 10. 3 by 5 is converted as 6 by 10. What I am doing here is, what is the range? Starting from minus 5 to plus 6, this is the range of numbers. And while you are drawing your graph, you will be using this method. 0, this side fully positive values, and this side fully you will be getting negative values. So in this way we are arranging. In this I am going to select any 5 rational numbers. So I have selected these rational numbers and I have written here. Not necessary this should be your answer. In between these values you can take any 5 rational numbers. Compare the following pairs of rational numbers. We are going to compare. So what is the meaning of comparison? I am going to find less than or greater than or equal to. We are having three comparison. In that we are going to check in what way we are going to compare the value. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to check my denominator. 5 8 not same, so I'm finding LCM, students, in the rough work. While I'm finding the LCM, what is the answer I'm getting here? 40. Minus 11 by 5 into what if I divide and multiply, I'll get the answer as value as 40 in the denominator part. In that way I'm calculating. 5 into 8 I will get it as 40, so divide and multiply by 8. 8 into 5 I will get it as 40, so divide and multiply by 40. While I am comparing the number, be clear, minus 88 minus 105. Which one is the greater number? Minus 88. If you see as a number 88 105, which would be the greater? 105 will be greater, but in the negative sign it will be opposite. Smaller number will look like greater number and greater number will look like smaller number. That is the opposite concept of negative. So minus 88 by 40 is greater than minus 105 by 40. Wherever the number is greater, that side the arrow mark will be open. So in place of that I am replacing the question. The next question, 3 divided by minus 4 comma minus 1 by 2. We are going to write the negative sign like this, students, that is minus 3 by 4 comma minus 1 by 2. Take the LCM, you will get the LCM as 4. After getting the LCM, I am going to write the question. Minus 3 by 4 will remain as minus 3 by 4. Minus 1 by 2, I am writing it as minus 2 by 4. Compare the values. Here minus 3 by 4 is less than minus 2 by 4. So this is the value I am getting here. Arrange in ascending and descending order. We are going to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. What is the meaning of ascending? Ascending means small to big. Descending means big to small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are given 5 rational numbers. What I am going to do is, first I am going to make the rational, I am just going to simplify the rational numbers here, students. That is minus 5 by 12, minus 11 by 8 will remain as it is. 15 by 24, I can cancel by 3 table. 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24. That's why I am writing like this. Both the signs negative, so I can cancel. I will get the value as 7 by 9. 12 threes are 36, that is 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36, that is 1 by 3. First, I am simplifying my question. After simplifying, I am finding the LCM. What is the use of finding LCM? You are going to find the denominator. I should make the denominator same. The LCM is 72. After getting the LCM as 72, in each fraction, I'm going to make my denominator as 72. According to that, I'm going to divide and multiply the values. That is, for example, if I'm going to take this number 8 into what if I multiply, I will get 72, 9. So divide and multiply by 9. That is the way we are doing for all the fractions. You're going to arrange in ascending order. For negative sign, what I told you is it will be opposite. Greater number will look like smaller number and smaller number will look like greater number. Denominator you need not check, students. You're going to check only the numerator part. Negative sign, ascending means small. Positive, negative, which is the smallest number? Negative sign. So negative to positive, you're going to, in place of this, you're going to replace the question. After replacing, you will get the values. This is the arrangement of ascending order. Descending order is nothing but reverse. From last to first, you will be writing, the bracket will be changed. Students, in this video, I have done some sums. You're going to take down all the sums in your classwork note. I have done it clearly. You're going to take down with the rough work. You're going to do it in your classwork note. Thank you.